about your own innings. I'm going to ask you about everybody else, but first tell me about yours.
It was a crucial one because if you see, Delhi has a very good bowling attack and, they exploited the condition very well. They're using the bigger boundaries. So I felt it would be tough. That's why we wanted the batters to continue till the end that, we have only one way to go in the last 4 or 5 overs. But
now MS is about you. Tell us about your finish. You never do.
Watch the ball, hit the ball. I've not done a lot in the tournament. So, you have to get that part out of the system saying, if you're batting well in the nets, just look for the ball. What are the variations and what the bowler may look to bowl. So, other than that, there was nothing much in the mind, because if there are too many things floating around, it becomes difficult to watch the ball.
Because you've been in these situations so many times before, but you did something interesting. You sent out Shardul Thakur first. You held Ravindra Jadeja back. Was that just instinct? Was there a plan?
I think we are one side that has not done that a lot. Even with Deepak, we bat till 9, and Shardul has done recently. If you see his batting, even Deepak's batting, there's somebody who can contribute. So whenever a batsman goes in, he will think twice before hitting the first delivery. But somebody like a Shardul or a Deepak, if he goes in, then he can look to hit the very first delivery. And even if he gives you 1 or 2 boundaries, that has a big impact because the run difference is 15-20 runs. So one boundary can really have a big impact.
You stayed with Robin Uthappa at 3. He batted like he'd never stopped batting.
Well, he is somebody, who likes to bat top of the order. But the question for us is, Mo has done really well at 3. So
yeah.
we have a scenario where, both of them can bat at 3, depending on whether it's the number of overs or the opposition. So, we have left it on God as to whoever gets out at what point of time, you may get to bat at 3.
You left it to God?
Well, we have to. We can't really decide. So whenever one of the openers gets out, depending on that and the opposition, we decide, okay, for today, you will be in for, these number of overs.
You've got a young man in your team who seems to get better with every match. And I know you're not one for big conversations, but what is the kind of chat you would have with someone like Ruturaj Gaikwad?
Well, whenever we have a chat, it's very plain and simple chat, as to what is going on, what you were thinking, because it's very important to understand, how well he has improved over the period, and also his game plan as to he's somebody who's willing to bat 20 overs. One of the games I spoke to him about, if you are an opener and if you get off to a good start, there's nothing that says that you can only bat 10 overs or 12 overs. Why can't you bat 18, 19 or 20 overs? And, right after that, he did that. He batted 20 overs, so which means that he's very eager to learn. And I feel he is somebody who plays authentic shots. So, I think he has done really well for himself. And I think he's a very good talent.
We did this last year in less happy circumstances, and you said to all your fans, we'll be back. You've taken the Talai's taken the Yellow back into the final.
Well, I think it's the full team, because it was tough. It was the first time where we didn't qualify, so the emotions were quite high. But what was important was, whatever game was left, we wanted to make sure that we make the most use of it. Forget what has happened in the tournament, but those four games or 3 games, we wanted to make the most of it. And I felt a lot of batters, they made the most of that, and that's the reason why we have come back strongly. And also, I think credit goes to the support staff and each and every individual, because without their character, you can't really come back like this.
It was fabulous watching you finish like the old times again. May it long be that way.
Hopefully. Let's hope for the best.
Thank you very much, MS. MS Dhoni, the winning captain, is taken Chennai Super Kings back into the final, where their supporters would say